Game, please. Nope. It gave up on me, guys.
Did the game crash?
Yeah. Hang on. I'm gonna relaunch it. And while it's loading back up, I'll be right back. I gotta use the restroom. Woohoo! Alright, I'm back. I've never seen a game hate being casted so much. So we're going to... Controller support, please? Oh no. Game, please! Don't do this to me again, game. There it goes. We're gonna do one of these numbers here. We're gonna go, even though I can run it, we're gonna go 8 times. Turn anti-aliasing off. Texture quality high. Water detail high. Off. Shadow quality high. Motion blur. That'll be better. Dislike motion blur anyways. What is bokeh? Anybody know what that word means?
The bouquet? What?
B-O-K-E-H.
Where do you see that?
Bottom of my screen here. Bokeh depth of field.
Oh, no idea. Let me Google it real quick. EH?
B-O-K-A-H. I think. E-H. E-H, yeah. If it's something I can turn off, I probably will. I've seen it like once before somewhere. Depth of field. It's just depth of field. It's just a weird name for depth of field. I'll turn that shit off.
It occurs in parts of the scene that lie outside the depth of field. So it's that blur that you get.
Oh, I don't need that shit then. That just ruins frame rate. Alright, there we go. What is happening here? By the way, there's like a major fight going on in the background here. And it
Hello?
ended as soon as I got him.
Yes, I am puzzling over where the power from this electra is rooted. I have hypotheses. Continue to liberate provinces in Insula Fonte. Clears up
Whoa.
interference from the Rebello's military infrastructure.
Anybody else see that? What the hell was that? Is it just accepting the new graphics? Is that what's happening?
Oh God.
Yeah, you saw that?
Yeah.
What the fuck was that? I mean, I'm getting a solid... I've been getting a solid 60 frames, but maybe now it'll work better for casting. Oh god, they've given me a beater. Holy crap. This is like somebody's first car. This is ridiculous.
Alright, I'll be back.
Alright.
Riposa in pace.
Pose in pace. So... Is this a rebel drop car? No.
I'm coming.
Have you heard anything about ammunition supply recently? I feel like we get less and less ammo each time we go back to
Let's
HQ.
go, Rico.
Get in the f***ing car! Thank you.
Honestly, what would I do if I weren't fighting the military? There's no jobs unless you know somebody and no opportunity to start anything new. Being a rebel keeps me employed.
We can drop that for you from now on.
Hope things are going well over there. There's so much misinformation. I never know what to believe.
Don't worry, I'll take over.
Oh, hell yeah, that's awesome.
When I was a kid, I dreamed of being in the military. They feed you all that garbage in school about the greatness of the general. I woke up somewhere in my teens. I guess I was one of the lucky ones. We had a captured soldier kill himself in his holding cell the other day. I think he was afraid the army's interrogation tactics would be used on him. I had family dying the night of the bonfires. My uncle I was too young to remember that.
Whoops. Look, a place I haven't blown up yet. Time to liberate some fools! Liberation, gonna liberate you. It's on your satellite dish. That satellite dish. Water tower.
Sending additional reinforcements to your location.
It's on your gas tank.
Copy that. Reinforcements inbound.
Who's next?
This is HQ. Additional support incoming shortly.
Ah, liberation!
This place looks better on fire.
Wow.
What is the situation? Respond! Santa merda.
Good job teleporting in and driving up after everything's done.
We go over the hills from the east.
Yeah, boy!
Can I have your autograph? Maybe a parachute ride?
Raise hell, Rico.
This is the real general.
Ain't nobody want to get on with me.
I will ride with you, Rico.
Well, then get on the fucking bike! Let's go! Get on, losers! We're gonna do some science. Whatever.
Here we go.
Science! What's this? Whoop! -oop.
This should do it.
Oh! Oh!
Rico, just a minute, please. I need your help.
Oop! Sorry.
My cake is charmed. Rico, you're a
You were
nice-
good. I was better.
Piss on your bridge. Ah! I thought that would work. I don't know why. Just cause physics, man. I thought it would work. There's a challenge up here. Is that a wingsuit tour? I'll do that to get wingsuit points. This bike. I'm out of here. Boop. Cool, I'll get some wingsuit points. I don't know how good I'm gonna be, but you know, we're gonna give it a shot. Cause you know me, I'm the best wingsuiter in the business. Nope, I already lost it. Come on! Why is the wingsuit so freaking hard to use? Jesus. I didn't hit anything that time! Game! Your hit detection's bullshit.